Hello neighbors, today is April 16th, 2020. Today the governor issued a new emergency proclamation. I'll take a few minutes to share with you what that proclamation means for Cedar Falls. The governor took this major action because the COVID-19 situation in northeast Iowa is now severe enough to require additional protective measures. The Tyson Foods plant in Waterloo now has a confirmed coronavirus outbreak, and the number of confirmed cases in Blackhawk County has nearly doubled since yesterday, at 150 from 85 yesterday. We also sadly recorded the county's first death from coronavirus today, and there are likely to be more in the days and weeks ahead. This is the surge that Blackhawk County anticipated, and residents must take action now to protect themselves and their loved ones from harm. For that reason, the governor issued new requirements, and the county sheriff and the city of Cedar Falls will be enforcing them. Today's governor's proclamation, which goes into effect at midnight tonight, prohibits any public gatherings for social, recreational, leisure, or sporting activities. The prohibition used to apply to 10 or more people, but now this prohibition applies to anyone not members of the same household who live together until at least April 30th. This includes driveway parties, play dates, and other social interactions with people who don't live under the same roof as you. These activities were already a really bad idea, but now they're against the law. This new restriction does not affect things like childcare, medical care, shopping for groceries, or having a job outside the home. It also doesn't affect group volunteer activities, which provide necessary services to the community, like service at the food bank. What it does mean is that as you carry out these activities, you must be careful, very careful. Wear a face mask in public if you have one. Continue washing your hands regularly. Keep at least 6 feet away from people who don't live in your house. And most of all, limit your trips outside the home to only the most essential needs, like infrequent grocery shopping, going to work, medical care, and getting basic outdoor exercise for your physical, mental, and emotional health. Aside from those, I'm calling on you to stay home. As of now, Cedar Falls will not be closing any additional facilities as part of the governor's emergency proclamation. The city golf course, pickleball courts, and dog park will continue to be open and will remain so as long as users maintain the required social distance and don't make these activities a social or sports gathering with people not in your house. As Sheriff Tony Thompson noted in today's press conference, Blackhawk County is facing an overwhelming battle with ever-increasing numbers, largely due to the poor judgment of a small few. With 150 confirmed cases, we're still in an early chapter as Cedar Falls fights COVID-19. As residents, do not be afraid, but be sober to the painful reality of this global pandemic. We must do our part, individually and together, to come through this crisis healthy and whole. Again, stay at home whenever possible. Wear a face mask in public. Wash your hands. Don't touch your face. And grown-ups, please set the example for the kids in our community. They're closely watching us to see how seriously we take COVID-19. For more information on how to protect yourself, visit cedarfalls.com/prepare. And for community resources, go to www.blackhawkcovid19.com. Thank you to all those who are already practicing these measures. And for those who aren't yet, today is the day to start. Be safe, Cedar Falls, and I can't wait to see you in person after this present danger passes. Thank you.